Fantastic human. Hello. Wellnote is a relatively new free handwriting app that's got a lot of attention on App Store. But the real question is whether it deserves that attention or if we're all just noticing it because it's free. It's available on iPadOS and iOS, though beyond that, it's hard to tell. Its developers don't seem to have a working website anywhere, so can't really confirm that. In this mini-series, we're breaking down the features that actually matter so you can decide whether this app earns a spot in your workflow. It might end up being an app for almost everyone simply because there is no price barrier. And if you're coming from Apple Notes, you'll feel right at home, just with a few unexpected upgrades. If you're using GoodNotes and Notability, you might be surprised to find a free app that competes on handwriting quality alone.